Hey guys, wanted to show you this quick graphic as we modify for day one of breakfast. First, outstanding morning for day one. I thought it was a very good day. In 40 minutes, the cafeteria crew served over 432 breakfasts this morning, which is amazing. I think more than anything, our backup is going to be just simply because of the sheer volume of people that we're serving in a shorter amount of time. But food wise, they had everything prepped, ready to go, so we did great there. We are going to put a choice board up so that people can see the choices before they go into the cafeteria. Also announce them so they'll be ready with their choice that they want before they walk in to the actual cafeteria serving lines. And then also attempt to announce it. I don't think the announcing is going to help that much for the next day. But at least all those things together can help them make that decision quick and be ready as soon as they get in there. Outstanding behavior. The cards were ready for the majority of people. We've gotten those back on the book bags that may not have been here on Friday. But the only other changes that we want to look at making, if you look at the graphic here, represents the 7 tables that are in the cafeteria. The orientation, as you notice, the stage is here. This is the exit doors of the cafeteria. What we would like is for kids to still come in and go to the 2 purple lines. Does not matter which purple line they go to. Go down the purple line and go through their door. Depending on what door they come out of determines what tables they'll sit, where they will sit, just so we don't have the crisscross of people right in this area. So if they come out this door closest to the parking lot, they would sit at one of these 3 tables. No one should be sitting here because this is where those 2 lines are, and it's very hard to maneuver in there. And then also if you come out the doors closest to the chickens, then you'll go to these 3 doors. Also, the other change you want to look at making is putting pre-K after they get their tray. They would go to the very end of those first 3 tables and stay, because they will be staying that whole morning until they get ready to go to specials at 8 o'clock. So they will sit there and they will stay at that side of the table. And hopefully you'll have 1 class at each table. Hopefully that will help alleviate any problems that we may have or may have encountered today. We're also going to look at getting more trash cans over on the chicken side of the cafeteria as well. If you have any other thoughts, suggestions, ideas, let us know. I know I heard some on the choice options. The choices are not they're not part of our control. But honestly, today, I don't think the choices had anything to do with it much as it did the sheer volume of people. But again, outstanding first day of breakfast in the classroom. And as things pick up and as things get on schedule, I think it'll be much better for you and the start of your class. Obviously not this week right now. But hope this helps and hope you have a great day.